Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the SQL engine and ensuring you have credentials. This matters because tools differ. Install the client or open your cloud console, then create a database. Run Create Database DB Name as an admin. Once created, switch to the new database and verify with Show Databases or a listing command. Make sure to use a dedicated user, not root, for further operations. This reduces risk and makes permissions management straightforward as you proceed. You now design the table schema, decide column names and types based on data shape, and mark required fields not null so queries are reliable. Add a primary KEY and unique constraints where needed, and create indexes for frequent lookups to improve performance. If you have related tables, define foreign keys to enforce integrity. Execute schema changes inside a transaction or use a migration tool. This ensures you can roll back if something breaks and keeps the database consistent. You finish by verifying the table structure and testing queries to confirm behavior. Describe the table with describe or \d table name, then grant only needed permissions, for example, grant select, insert on DB. Table to read-only user to follow least privilege. Make a full backup or export the schema. This protects against mistakes. If something goes wrong, check the error message and transaction log first. Often a constraint or missing index is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.